graduate to understand that you have critical role to play in the revitalization of the Nigerian railway industry. I want to say a big thank you to CCCC, the Chinese government, for your efforts towards making this initiative a great success.
教育的话，一个国家发展是做不到的，所以我们现在对非洲呢，都想方设法呀，让他培养人才的。他们不单纯学了知识啊，学了技能啊，他们更关键学到了中国优秀的传统文化，这是对他们有利，对我们有利。
I learn about structural designs, I learn about architectural designs, and these courses have really impacted in my life, and I really want to share this knowledge that I've learned in China to my country.
I think the transportation in China is one of the best in the world because it comes timely, it meets the requirements on every level, and it's just impressive.